I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch to your Honor phone. First, make sure both your Huawei Watch and Honor phone are charged to at least 50% to avoid interruptions. Next, download and install the Huawei Health app from your phone's App Store. Finally, enable Bluetooth on both devices, as this is crucial for the connection process. Now let's pair your devices. Open the Huawei Health app on your Honor phone. From the main screen, tap on the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom. Then, select Add Device and choose your exact Huawei Watch model from the list. A pairing request will appear on both your watch and phone. Confirm it on both to establish the connection. Once paired, you'll need to grant the Huawei Health app essential permissions for it to function correctly, such as access to notifications and location. After granting permissions, the app will begin its initial data synchronization, which might take a few moments. Once complete, you can personalize your watch settings, including watch faces, notification preferences, and health monitoring features, all within the app. If you encounter any issues, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, try restarting both your Huawei Watch and your Honor phone. Often, a simple restart can resolve minor connectivity glitches. If problems persist, clear the cache of the Huawei Health app through your phone's settings. Also, ensure the Huawei Health app is allowed to run in the background and isn't being restricted by battery optimization settings, as this can interrupt the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.